Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to add new guide to your existing workspace in Photoshop. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular workspace right here, I might decide to add some certain custom new guide to this particular page. So how do we do that? I'm going to walk you through step by step right here in this video. Now, instead of you dragging ruler in a confused way like this, and then you are not sure of the area that you want the ruler to be, maybe for instance you want to divide this page into two with a ruler and you still want to add some new guide. So how do you do it perfectly? So I'm going to press Ctrl Z and Ctrl Z to return some of this ruler right here. Now, how do you add a perfect guideline or guide ruler to your page layout in Photoshop? First thing first, come to the top right here and then make sure you click on view. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and make sure you click on new guide. Like for instance, this is going to pump up right here. Now we have to choose the orientation. So for instance, I want to start with vertical orientation. Then I want to put this guide ruler to exactly 5 inches of this page. Then I will go ahead and hit on OK. It's going to be automatically be added in the area I choose. Now let's say I want to add horizontal in another inch. So go ahead and click on view. Then come down here and make sure you click on new guide here. Then go ahead and add. So let's say I want this to be 4 and at the same time I want it to be horizontal and hit on OK. So it's just to add into the horizontal, just like what you see right here. Now let's say I want to put this particular page into divided into two using my ruler guide. So go ahead and come back to view from the top right here. Come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on view. Then next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Make sure you click on new guide. So I want to put this into the main center of the page. So I'm going to put it in 7. So the 7 is the main point of this particular page. I will hit on OK. Then here we go. We have it in the horizontal. We can go ahead and go back to view right here. And we'll go ahead and click on new guide. So this time around, we can also add to the vertical. And then the same size can be 7 right here. And I'll hit on OK. So it's going to take me to the center. So you can see now this page here has been divided into 2. So we have different guide settings right here. So we can go back to view again and then decide to add a new guide. So this time around, I want to horizontal. So this time around, I want to add 3 and I'll hit on OK. So it's going to add 3 into the horizontal. You can see it right here. We can add the same as on the vertical. Go back to new guide and we have to switch to vertical this time around. So this time around, I want to add 3 or so and I'll hit on OK. So you can go on and customize every settings of the guideline you want to add. By doing this, it's going to give you a perfect layout and perfect guideline into your design in Photoshop. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.